Hello, I am Ranjana Saxena from the University of Delhi. I welcome you all to this course of Basics of Russian Communication Skills Part 2. During the course of these modules, you came across a lot of words in Russian. Some may be known to you, some were probably not known to you, but we have also compiled a dictionary of Russian English words for you. So, we have a dictionary compiled for your convenience, and this dictionary is a Russian English dictionary which have been put together alphabetically. Russo-angliski словарь. Abrikos, abrikos, apricot. Aviacompania, aviacompania, airline. Aeroflot, aeroflot. Aviapochta, airmail. Avtobus, a bus. Avtobusny, related to bus, an adjective. Avtokurs, driving course. Автомобиль, automobile, a car. Агентство, agency. Administrator, an administrator. Address, very much similar to English address. Asia, 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 the continent. Acteur, actor. Aktivny, active. For example, Aktivny malchik, a very active boy. Aktrisa, actrisa, actress. Alexandrovsky Sad, Alexander Garden. Alyosha, Alyosha. Algier, Algeria, the name of a country. Alkogolny, alcoholic. Alla Pugacheva, Alla Pugacheva, the famous Russian singer. Alleya, a path or a lane in a park. Allo, hello. Almazny, Almazny fond, diamond, fund. Album, album, an album. America, America. Amerikanets, a person from America. Amerikanka, a woman from America. Amerikansky, related to America. Ananas, pineapple. Ananasovy, related to pineapple. Maybe ananasovy цвет, maybe the pineapple color. Angliski, English, British. Anglichanin, Englishman. Anglichanka, English woman. Anglia, England. Anglo-Ruski, English-Russian. For example, could be an English-Russian dictionary. Anglo-Ruski словарь. Andrei, Andrei. Andryusha, Andryusha. Anecdote, an anecdote. Anna Karenina, Anna Karenina. You know the name of the novel by Leo Tolstoy. Ensemble, ensemble. Anya, Anya, again a name of a girl maybe. Apelsin, an orange. Apelsinovy, orange, an adjective related to orange. Aplaudirovать, to applaud. Appetit, appetite. When we start eating food, normally the Russians would say, Priyatnava apetita, have a good appetite and eat well. Aptyeka, the chemist's shop, Arab, an Arab, Arabski, related to Arab, Arabski Izek, the Arabian language maybe, Aryandavach, to rent, to hold on lease, Arka, an arch, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Arnold Schwarzenegger, artist, an artist, aspirant, research scholar, aspirantka is also there, a woman research scholar, aspirantura, research study, atletica, an athletic, audiocasseta, an audio cassette, audiomagnetophone, audio cassette player. Audio cassette player, you know, already redundant. Auditoria, a classroom. Afghanists, Afghan men. Afghanka, a woman from Afghanistan. Afghansky, something related to Afghanistan. Africa, Africa. Airport, an airport. Babachka, butterfly. Babushka, grandmother. Bagage, baggage. Badminton, badminton. Bazaar, a market, bazaar. Baklajan, brinjal. Ballet, ballet. Banan, banana. Bangalore, Bangalore. Bank, bank. Bassein, swimming pool. Bahaitsky, Bahai, related to the sect of Bahais. Bashnia, a tower. Behemoth, hippopotamus. Biedny, poor. Biedny Человек or Biednie Люди, a novel by Dostoevsky, you know. Без, without. Biela, biela, white all over. Biela sini, white, blue. Bieli, bieli, all white. Bieli, the color white. Bierik, bank, shore, beach. Beriosa, the birch tree, the Christmas tree also. Besiedavach, to talk, to converse. Besplatna, free of charge. Besplatny, free of charge. Бесплатный, наверное, билет можно, да? Беспокоить, to worry, to disturb. Беспокоиться, to be worried about. Беспокойство, anxiety, uneasiness. Библиотека, library. Bijuteria, jewelry. Businessman, businessman. Билет, ticket. Biolog, biologist. Bihar, Bihar, a state in India. Благодарить, to thank. Blank, a form. Блестеть, to shine. Glitter. Ближайший, nearest, next or the coming one. Близкий, close, near. Близнецы, twins. Блюдо, a dish. Bog, God. Богатый, rich. Богиня, goddess. Боже мой, oh my God. Бокал, glass, goblet. Box, boxing. Более-менее, more or less. Болеть, to be sick, to be ill. Boil, pain. Больница, hospital. Больной, patient. Больше, more than. Большинство, majority, most of the people. Большой, big. Борода, beard. Boroться, to fight against. Boyаться, to be scared of. Кого чего? Бояться кого чего? Brasilia, Brazil. Bracelet, bracelet. Brat, brother. Bratya, brothers. Brilliant, diamond. Brilliantove, related to diamond, an adjective. Bronzeve, bronze. Brasach, to throw. Budilnik, alarm clock. Будто, as though. Будущий, future. Будьте добры, please be kind enough. Будьте любезны, be nice, be kind. Bukva, a letter. Buket, a bouquet. Bulavka, pin. Bumaga, paper. Buterbrod, sandwich. Butilka, a bottle. Buffet, canteen. Bevaj, to be. Bivshi, former. Bystra, quickly, fast. Быть, to be. Быть на седьмом небе, to be in the seventh sky. В то же время, at the same time. Вагон, a coach or a wagon. Важно, it's important. Важный, important. Важный человек, important person. Vaza, a vase. Ваш, yours. Vevetce, all Russian exhibition. Vedenka, exhibition of national economic achievements. Vdol, along. Vdruk, suddenly. Vegetariansky, vegetarian. Vidro, a bucket. Vidj, you see, you know. Veshliva, politely, courteously. Veshlivi, polite. Veshlivi человек, a very polite person. Vizje, everywhere. Viek, century. Veliki, great. Velikolepny, magnificent. Vinok, a garland, a wreath. Vidblut, a camel. Verich, to believe, to trust. Vidnoch, kamu что, to return, what, to whom. Vidnotsa, to come back. Verkhni, upper. Veselich, to cheer, to amuse. Veselitsa, to enjoy oneself. Vesela, merrily, jolly. Vesyoli, merry человек. Vesyoli человек, a very happy person. Vischi, to conduct. Ves, whole. Vecher, evening. Vechirinka, evening party. Vecheram, in the evening. Vechni, eternal, everlasting. Vechni agon, eternal fire. Vesh, a thing. Vzvalnovatsa, to be disturbed, to be worried. Vzvalnovatsa. Vzгляд, opinion, view. Vzdaknуть, to take a deep long breath. Vzrosli, adult. Vzять, to take. Vid, appearance, form. Video, video. Video camera, video camera. Video camera, video camera. Video cassette, video cassette. Video magnetophone, video player. Видеть, to see. Видно, it's obvious. Видный, eminent. Визитная карточка, visiting card. Визитный, visiting. Виктор, Victor. Вилька, fork. Вино, wine. Vinograd, grape. Висеть, to hang. Vitya, Vitya. Vityas, Vityas. Vklučać, to include in, vklučić, to include, vklučać, vklučić, you know, they are the two verbs, two aspects of the same verb. Vkus, taste, vkusna, tasty, vkusni, delicious. Vklučać, to include, vklučić, to include also. Vklučać, vklučić, as you know, they are just the differences of just the aspect of the verbs. Vkus, tasty, vkusna, tasty, vkusni, delicious. Vkusna is an adverb, as you know, and vkusni is the adjective. Vladetь, to possess, to be master. Vlast, power, authority, rule. Vljubić, to fall in love. Vljubitsa, to fall in love. Vmesте, together. Vniz, down, downwards. Vnizu, to be downwards, below or downstairs. Vnimание, attention, notice. Vnimatelna, attentively, carefully. Vnuk, grandson. Vnutrini, internal, inner. Vnutri, inside, within. Vnuchka, granddaughter. Vavremya, at the time of. Vovremya, in time, at the right time. Vada, water. Vajich, to drive, lead, to conduct. Vodka, vodka. Vayenny, military, war. Vazhjenie, driving. Vazvrashatsa, to go back, to return. Vozduk, air. Vazdušnaya kukuroza, popcorn. Vazdushni, air, adjective. Vazlagach, to lay a wreath, to place a wreath. Vazmoshna, possibility. Vazniknuch, to arise. Vazrajach, to object. Vozrast, age. Voin, warrior, military man. Vaina, war. Vainaimir, War and Peace, a novel by Leo Tolstoy, you know. Vazlagach, Vaitchi, to go, to enter. Vakzal, railway station. Vakrug, around. Valnavatsa, to be worried. Volasi, hair. Vapshe, in general, generally. Vaplachitsa, to be incarnated, embodied. Varabye, sparrow. Varona, a crow. Varota, the gate. Vosim, 8. Vaskresenie, Sunday. Vaspitivach, to bring up, to educate. Spaminanye, memory, recollection, reminiscence. Vastanavich, to restore, re-establish. Vaskhvalyach, praise. Vot, here, there. Vot, just about here. Period, forward, ahead, in advance. Piriji, in front, to be ahead. Vchitlenie, impression, influence, effect. Vrach, a doctor. Vremya, time. Vruchich, to hand over, deliver. Vryadli, hardly, scarcely. Vsyo, everything, that's all. Vsigda, always. Vsivo, in all, only. Vsivo kharosheva, all the best. Vse injijski, all India. Vseotaki, all the same, however. Spaminach, to remember, recall. Vspachich, to sweat. Vstavach, to get up. Vstach, to get up. Vstrechich, to meet. Vstrechitsa, to meet up. Vstrecha, a meeting. Vstrichach, to meet. Vstrichatsa, to meet with somebody. Vsyaki, any, every. Vtornik, Tuesday. Vtaroi, second. Vkhod, entrance, entry. Vkajich, to go in, to enter. Вчера, yesterday, вы, you, выбор, choice, selection, выбрать, to choose, to select. Выглядеть, to look, гравировать, to engrave on, upon something. Выйти, to go out, выйти замуж, to marry. Вынуть, to pull out, to take out. Выпивать, to drink. Выпить, to drink. Выразить, to express. Выращивать, to grow plants. Высеченный, carved. Высечь, to carve. Высказать, to express, to tell. Высокий, tall, high. Высота, height. Выспаться, to have a proper sleep. Выставка, exhibition, a show. Выставочный, exhibition, related to an exhibition. Выступать, to speak, to deliver. Высшее образование, higher education. Высший, higher, superior. Выучить, to learn. Выход, exit, way out. Выходить, to go out. Выходной, non-working day and off. Вязать, to knit. Гадюка, viper, adder, snake. Газета, a newspaper. Газетный, adjective, to газета, related to newspaper. Газовый, gas. Галерея, a gallery. Galina, name of a girl. Gvazdika, carnations. Где, where. Где-то, somewhere. Germania, Germany. Герой, hero. Гид, guide. Gimn, a hymn, an anthem. Gynecolog, gynecologist. Gitara, guitar. Glavny, main. Glass, an eye. Глубокий, deep. Глухой, deaf. Говорить, to speak, to say, tell. Год, year. Годовщина, anniversary. Голливудский, related to Hollywood. Голова, head. Голодать, to be hungry. Голодный, hungry. Голодный человек, hungry person. Голос, voice. Голубой, sky blue. Голубь, pigeon. Гордиться, to be proud of. Гордость, pride. Наша гордость, our pride. Горе, sorrow, grief. Гореть, to burn, to be on fire. Город, city. Городок, campus. Городской, an adjective related to the city. Горох, pea. Гостиная, drawing room. Гостиница, hotel. Ghost, guest. Государственный, related to state. Государство, state. Готовить, to prepare. Например, готовить ужин, готовить к уроку, готовиться, to prepare oneself, готови, ready, градус, degree, Celsius, сколько градусов сегодня, грамматика, grammar, грандиозный, grand, граница, limit, boundary, гробница, tomb, громкий, loud, грубый, impolite, группа, group, грустить, to be sad, грустно, sad, грустный, sad, sorrowful, melancholy, грустный человек, грязно, untidy, dirty, можно сказать здесь грязно, it's dirty here, грязный, dirty, губа, lip, губная помада, lipstick, гуляние, walking, stroll, гулять, to take a walk or a stroll, ГУМ, государственный универсальный магазин, Government State Departmental Store, густой, dense, thick, давать, to give, давно, since long, long ago, for a long time, даже, even, далеко, far off, дальше, then, further, говорите дальше, данные, data, facts, данные, given, dentist, dentist, дарить, to give a present, дать, to give, два, две, both would mean two, два человека, две девушки, 25-летие, 25th anniversary, 25-летний, related to the 25th anniversary. Okay, students, in this module of the Russian English Dictionary, you have covered 4 letters of the alphabet, that is A, B, V, G fully, and partially you have also covered the letter De. The next module will start with the remaining words of the letter De. Thank you.